How to use the data object. The data object represents the data source. This can be a connector, an interface to a backend system, or a SQL database, but also a programmable business object. Drag and drop the data object activity into the editing area in the center and select your previously created connector and then the connector call. If you want to assign a connector call to a data object, you have to define the sources for the connector input, the request, and the destination for its output, the response. This is called the input mapping and output mapping. Clicking on the input mapping button opens a new pop-up which allows you to connect widgets with the input or output attributes of a connector call. In this example, the request of the selected connector call provides only a single input parameter. This input parameter is connected with the value of the widget. That means that once the data object is triggered, for example through a button press event, the connector will be called with the actual value of the widget as request parameter. On the other hand, it's also possible to select a business object as a type. It works on the same principle as the connector call. Once you have selected the business object and its predefined script template, you can map it to the input or output parameters. You can choose the exact source that you want to use for the input parameter by double-clicking on the widget. A list of all properties opens so that you can choose the one that you need.